Summer is here. Let's get your garden thriving in July. In July, it's prime time to plant delicious varieties. Think about cantaloupe, corn, and cucumbers. Don't forget eggplant, warm season greens, and peppers. It's also the season for summer squash, winter squash, and tomatoes. Plus, consider okra, southern peas, pumpkins, and watermelon. Next, let's talk sowing. This month, sow your seeds for the same crops. Cantaloupe, corn, and cucumbers are great options. Warm season greens, squash, okra, and southern peas are perfect too. Don't miss out on sowing pumpkins and watermelons. Now, for upkeep. It's time to cut back your tomatoes. This is the last chance for pumpkins. Make sure to feed native landscape plants. Finally, don't forget to fertilize your plants. In summary, July is about planting, sowing, and maintaining your garden. Get your hands dirty and watch your garden flourish. Ready to grow? Start your July garden tasks today.